Microprocessors, the biggest thing since the invention of the wheel. What are they? A microprocessor, also known as a microchip, or just a chip, is a small, thin piece of silicon that has been printed with transistors. One chip can contain hundreds of millions of transistors, performing billions, yes, billions, of calculations each second. The smallest are just a few squared millimeters. The microchip is the most complex product that has ever been made. What do they do? Microprocessors are the brains of your personal computer. They control everything in our lives. They are used in all digital devices, calculators, cameras, radios, ovens, fridges, washing machines, DVDs, and watches. Without microprocessors, modern cars wouldn't start or stop. There are about 60 per car, TV remotes wouldn't switch channels, and we couldn't text each other on our cells. Doctors and surgeons wouldn't be able to diagnose, treat, or operate. Nearly all of their equipment contains microchips. How do they work? Transistors are microscopic electronic switches that turn on and off billions of times a second. It's hard to believe that basically, that is all a computer does. It either says yes or no. To process the words, images, and sounds we use every day, computers and other devices, such as CD players, transform these communications into a simple code that uses the numerals 0 and 1 to represent the on and off states of a transistor. This language of zeros and ones is known as digital information. How are they made? It takes months to make a microprocessor and involves over 250 manufacturing steps, but it can take years to design one. Sometimes the engineers put pictures on the surface of a chip because they want to show it's theirs. The pictures are incredibly tiny, and can only be seen with a microscope. They are like the designer's signature. What about the future? The digital world is only a few decades old. There are still countless more things we could do with microprocessors. Soon they'll be able to fix themselves and even make themselves. No one knows what will happen. Only time will tell.